I'm Lamont with True Beast Coaching with another Me and You motivation. Me and You motivation is my opportunity to speak life into you as I speak life into myself. I need these messages as much as you do. So without further ado, let's jump into today's message titled Go Get Joseph. Again, go get Joseph. Now, I encourage you to read the book of Genesis and learn more about Joseph because I'm not going to give attention that it deserves. I'm only going to touch one part of it, and the part that I'm going to touch is Joseph being incarcerated for a crime he did not commit, because it's in that prison that he's in he meets the butler and the baker who have fallen out of favor with Pharaoh. They're sent from the palace, they're sent to prison at the same time as Joseph. Why is this important? Because there's so many of scenarios that we're in, but God showed us this grand vision years ago, but then life kind of got in the way, and now we're at where we're at, or we're working these jobs that we're way more qualified to work, but we gotta live, we gotta survive, and we're asking the question, how did I get here? I'm here to tell you that you're in the right place at the right time. Why? Because the butler and the baker are about to have a conversation that's going to speak to your purpose. I know it's far-fetched, but look, listen, I'm here to tell you that your time is now, my time is now. Together we're going to walk in victory. Joseph is in prison. He overhears the butler and the baker speaking about their dreams. Now, please understand, it just so happens that Joseph can interpret dreams. Now, it's only three of them that's in this place, and two of them talking about dreams, and only one can interpret. What I'm trying to tell you is that the gift that you have, no one else has it where you're at, and the people who are in charge need your gift. But the butler has to get the message to him. Joseph interprets the vision for the butler and the baker, and he tells them that one is going to be beheaded and one's going to survive. And I already gave you the insight. I told you the butler got the message. My own personal interpretation why it was the butler, not the baker, is because sometimes people who cook, sometimes they cook on instinct, and they measure different ingredients on how they feel. But the butler, to me, gets instructions down to a T. So who better to get the message than the butler? But I'm here to tell you that the message actually gets to Pharaoh. The message of how gifted you are is actually going to get to your leadership, and they're going to say, go get Joseph, go get Lamont, go get your whoever you are. You put your name in there. They're going to be calling for you. Why? Because your gifting is for now. That thing that God said in your life years ago, it is for right now. I am reminded of a story about a husband and a wife who was running this marathon. And it came to a point where the wife couldn't go any further, but her husband was worried about her. So he stood there. But she said, no, you go ahead. You go ahead and finish the race. I'll be okay. So he made sure she was okay. He runs around the corner, and then he comes back. And she said, why did you come back so soon? Because he said the finish line is around the corner. Oh my gosh. I'm here to tell you, hold on, because you're so close. Your gift is about to make room for you. Because why? Because Pharaoh needs it. God is going to make sure that the gift that you have is in season for right now. This is Lamont from True Beast Coaching. Triumph requires unlimited effort. Stay true.